Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on this Poco X3 device after updating to the latest Antutu benchmark version. So recently friends, the Antutu benchmark version has been updated to the version 9, and let's see with the version 9 what is the Antutu benchmark test results we might be getting in this Poco X3 device. The Poco X3 has got the Snapdragon 732G processor. So before the Antutu benchmark 9 version, there used to be 8 version, so in which the mobile phone scored about 2,70,000 to 2,80,000 in between the score. So let's see friends, in this latest Antutu benchmark test version 9, how much the phone can actually score, and let's see whether the score is got improved or not. And during this time, even I'll try to test the temperature reading as well, how much the temperature is. So it is a stopwatch which is ready in this phone as well. So let's see friends how much time it actually takes to finish the Antutu benchmark test results in this Poco X3 device. So let me try to quickly open the Antutu benchmark application. As you can clearly see friends, I'm using the Antutu benchmark version 9.0.3 as you can see here. So right now the test is going on. There is a new Antutu version 9. So this is how the graphics and testings looks like in this latest version. So let's see friends what will be the results in this Antutu benchmark version 9 update. So let me try to even check the temperature before doing the testing. So it was about 34 degrees. You can clearly see here 34 and 35 degrees overall. So let's see friends, after updating to the latest Antutu version, how much the score can actually get here. So sorry for that, I forgot to turn on the stopwatch, so maybe we can add extra 20 seconds of time. So again I'll be back friends once the Antutu benchmark test has been successfully completed and we can discuss the score. As you can see friends, right now the score we got about 3,35,000. As you can see, it's really amazing friends. I did not expect this much kind of improvement in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results. So right now the temperature is of 36 and 34, so it increased up to maximum to 38 degrees. You can clearly see the temperature readings. But overall, so before it was 2,70,000 the Antutu benchmark score, 2,70,000 and 75,000, and right now it is 35,000. So overall that's an improvement of 50,000 mAh, 50,000 points got increased in this Antutu benchmark version friends. So these are the quick results on this using the latest Antutu benchmark version. I'm not sure how much we can trust on this Antutu benchmark results, but still I'm just trying to do normal Antutu benchmark version 9 testings so that I can compare this phone with other smartphones as well in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results. And thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, and don't check the links in description for more what live wallpapers I'm using in all of my videos, as you can see here. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.